Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be jumping into the price of Chainlink, talking a little bit about where it's headed and the future of where we could see the price continue to lead to. So right now at $14.96, a 2.4% increase in the last 24 hours is actually a very bullish push for Chainlink, and I'm going to explain to you as to why. If we take a look at the market, we're down about 0.6% in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin's even down about 1%. Ethereum's pretty much the only coin doing very well, while Chainlink's kind of following. We can take a look at the last, or really all the coins in the last 24 hours, pretty much seeing a 1 to 5% decrease. Chainlink is an exception. With a 2.4% increase, Chainlink is headed right on its way to $15. If we jump into the 1 week category, we can see a 14% increase in the last week. Definitely a very good accumulation level currently at this $14.96 mark. But I will say we've had a lot of weeks where we had this $13, $12 Chainlink, and that's a great time to buy in as well. If we continue to retest lower lows with Chainlink, I will say, guys, that's a great time to dollar cost average in. At this current price point, though, still not a bad option. I do want to go to the last month, though, and kind of take a look. So the last month's been about a 2.16% decrease, coming from around that $15 mark now, just barely below $15. You are going to see a small decrease. But the big thing to note with Chainlink is if we come down to the trading activity, it's one of the only coins right now showing more people buying than selling, according to Coinbase. We also see the market cap barely above $7 billion right now, which is a very, very low market cap for what Chainlink all offers. If we jump into Chainlink's first article, it talks about how Chainlink establishes support that will launch Link to $25. So Chainlink price closed the Wednesday session with an impressive 7% gain. Bulls attempted to extend the Wednesday rally, but were handily rejected by sellers. Upside potential remains substantial, while downside risks are more limited. So we aren't going to see Chainlink most likely go to, $1 to $2 by the end of this year, but we could definitely see Chainlink head its way to $75 to $120. So that's why they're saying that upside is much more than the downside of Chainlink investing at this price point. So I think we're going to continue to see a lot of bulls jump into Chainlink, as it makes a lot of sense when there's so much limited really options as to how low we could go with Chainlink because of what it provides to the space, with all the Oracle computation and so many good, really great different partnerships, CCIP coming, staking coming. These are big things that are coming to the Chainlink space. So I want to jump over to the next article, another FX Street article. There's 3 different takes from FX Street that we're going to look at today. This one talks about Chainlink price sets the stage for 30% bullish outburst or breakout. And we've seen this a couple times across the board. We've seen Chainlink have these potential chances to break out, and it just really hasn't. So this could be another opportunity. This one came out earlier today. Chainlink price has formed an Adam and Eve pattern, signaling a 30% rally. From the current position, Link could surge by 40% to hit a target at $20. A 4-hour candlestick closed below March 14th, swing low at $12.60 will invalidate the bullish thesis. If we see a $12.60 Chainlink, I will say, guys, there's going to be a very, very good opportunity for you guys to continue to watch and see where Chainlink goes, because dollar cost averaging in below $12 would be an absolute dream for me and many others. So Chainlink basically price has created a bottom reversal setup that suggests Link is due for a move up north, while the Oracle token is nowhere near a breakout. It indicates the possibility is just around the corner. So we are seeing a trend line to that 1569 on February 18th and drop through the 27% to set a swing low of 1140. I want to jump back over to another FX Street article, the last one we're going to take a look at today, and this one specifically from the FX Street team talks about Chainlink price set for a 20% run as bulls smash through the daily trend. This was 3/16 or March 16th. We pretty much saw this 20% run, so it's great to see the next target at $17. We're very, very close to that at this current price point of about $15. Great push so far. The next article, though, we have is from Yahoo. Actually CoinDesk putting this one out. Chainlink's total value secured expansion isn't matched by Link token's growth. So Chainlink, a provider of real-world data to smart contracts used in decentralized applications or DApps, has expanded significantly in the last 12 months, with the total value, or really total value secured TVS on its platform leaping to about $58 billion from $7 billion in early 2021, an increase of more than 800%. Crypto exchange Coinbase said in a report on Thursday, all of this information, obviously, and I think the biggest thing to take out of this is the market cap of Link and the Oracle's utility token is only up about 30% to 0.1 billion during the same period. So it's crazy to see Link struggling as much as it is with how much it brings and provides to their community. I want to jump over to BlockFi. So before we jump too much into the price predictions of Chainlink and tell you guys about where I do suggest it could be going or headed, I want to talk a little bit about how you can buy, sell, and earn with crypto in BlockFi's platform or the rewards credit card. So the BlockFi Rewards credit card basically lets you earn up to 3.5% back in crypto on every purchase. And the cool thing with BlockFi, by the way, is if you sign up using the description link below, it'll actually give you up to $250 worth of Bitcoin when you first sign up. So it's going to help me. It's going to help support you. Definitely something you guys should be looking into if you have not already. Over $15 million in crypto paid in rewards to date, and there's no annual fees, by the way. So you can earn rewards in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more with BlockFi Rewards credit card, and you can also see if you're improved or really approved with no impact to your credit as well. So a huge opportunity to continue to basically dollar cost average when you purchase other items, which is, one of the easiest and best ways, in my opinion, to, kind of slowly build up your crypto portfolio. So I do want to jump back over to Chainlink, though. Give it a quick refresh, see where we're at, and talk about the future and where we could be headed. So a nice $15 push now. We are above a $15, $15.04 to be exact. This is, like I said, a very, very bullish push. Definitely a big potential to reach that $17 now. It does depend quite a bit, though, on one thing. And you guys all know this. If Bitcoin doesn't stay above 40K, if it drops back down to, 39, 38, 37K and continues to retest lower levels, Chainlink's just not going to be able to keep up. We're going to see Chainlink plummet with the rest of the cryptos. However, if Bitcoin does push past 44K, which is the big retest spot, in my opinion, we do want to stay above 41K first. It's kind of the first retest. But if we do somehow get above 44K even and get maybe to a 45, 46, 47K Bitcoin, I do think Chainlink's back to the $20 region at the very, very least. And with that, there's going to be a lot of people jumping on board for the long-term potential that really Chainlink will be holding and bringing to this space. Like I said, Chainlink staking coming is absolutely massive. A lot of people are going to want to jump on board with that massive APY. I think we are going to see a lot of people do that. And with that, we're going to see the Chainlink market cap as well as price increase. I do suggest, looking at this last all-time high price of $52.99, that's definitely a possibility. That's going to be a possibility in this year of 2022. And I don't expect it to definitely happen. It definitely depends, like I said, on the rest of this space. So we're going to have to see Bitcoin probably trade above 60K to potentially see Chainlink push to a new all-time high. So definitely watch out for that. I think there's a lot of potential, though, in the short term as well with Chainlink. So if you're looking to trade short term, Chainlink's definitely a good option, as I think we are going to continue to bump up a little bit higher, slowly but surely, getting back to a realistic price point of about $25, $30 by the end of maybe June. By the end of the year, by the end of this bull market, realistically, I'm going to say by the end of this bull market, as I'm kind of losing my voice here, I think there's a huge opportunity for Chainlink to push to a new all-time high of $75 to $120 at the very, very least. So we'll continue to keep you guys up to date here on the channel with Chainlink as well as so many other cryptocurrencies. And if you have not already, make sure to follow me on CryptoProfitYT on Twitter, because if you do follow me, you're actually going to see these giveaways when they come out. There's a lot of giveaways. This most recent one, though, is a big one. So if we hit $25 Chainlink by the end of March, I'll actually be giving away 1,000 Link. All you have to do is retweet and follow me on Twitter to be entered. Also, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on like usual. I'll see you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys, like I said, all in the next one.